Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Kivani, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite products for my natural hair. So I'm not one of them people that like to switch up products, and I'm not a product junkie. I use the same products all the time. If I run out of a product, I just rebuy the same product. Every now and then I will try a new product. Once I like the product, it's locked in. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the products that I've been using for like the past 6 months. I don't even know what order I'm going in. I'm gonna start with this one because I don't be hearing people talk about this. So I'm gonna mention this one first because I know people like to duck out, before the end of the video get here. So I do want y'all to hear about this particular product, which I absolutely love, and this is the African Pride Moisture Miracle Hydrating and Strengthening leave-in cream. And this is basically just a leave-in conditioner, to make a long story short. And it's great for type 4 hair because it's thick, and I can't use liquid leave-in conditioners unless I'm like detangling or something like that. I need something heavy that's gonna go into my hair and hold in the moisture. Sundays is when I actually wash my hair. When I wash my hair, I put this on first, and then I follow it up with the Blue Magic coconut oil hair grease, which y'all should be very familiar with. I'm not a big gel person, but I do put gel on my hair when I do my twist out on Sundays. So I am going to mention to you guys the gel that I use. Okay, so this is the gel that I use, Extreme Professional Styling Gel. I feel like this has another name. Wetline. It's Wetline, that's what it is. I feel like something is missing. So this is Wetline Extreme Professional Styling Gel, and I got this from Target. It's like $2 and some change for this big old container. It's almost the size of my head. It's humongous. So right here I got my deep conditioners, and these are like the only two that I use. Shea Moisture does have some stuff that I like that next time I buy hair stuff, which I might buy some this weekend actually, that I might get. But for right now, we just gonna mention what I got. So I always use this, and my mom has been using this on her hair for years. Usually she has like a big bottle somewhere around the house, but when I'm at the store, I always pick this up, and it's the olive oil strengthening and moisture replenishing conditioner. It smells really good. It's orange scented. And the other one that I use is the Cantu Shea Butter Deep Treatment Hair Mask. And that looks like this. So I always use these two. These are my favorites. Next, I've had this bottle for a really long time. I should probably do more protein treatments on my hair. But this is the Afro G Keratin 2-minute reconstructor. And honestly, I probably need to do something a little stronger because if you've been keeping up with my hair journey, I have a little bit of heat damage in the front. So I probably need to do something stronger, but I like this, so I'm gonna keep using it. This is the shampoo that I use on my hair, and it's actually upside down. And this is the Head and Shoulders Moisture Boost Shampoo with coconut oil. This is their line. This is a line for black people. I suffer from cerebral dermatitis, so I need medicated shampoo up in my head, okay? So I use that, and I also use my body wash. I don't feel like going upstairs to go get it, so I'll insert a clip of what it looks like. But my body wash is actually you can use it for shampoo and bubble bath. So after I use my Head and Shoulders, I actually use my body wash. I don't even know what the brand name is or anything right now, but I use my body wash to wash my hair because it's very moisturizing. Once I do get my scalp under control, I'll probably just start using that on my hair, just because for one, it's already in my shower. For two, I'm already using it on the rest of my body. And for three, it's a more natural shampoo, body wash. It doesn't have as many harsh chemicals in it. That's what I'm trying to say. It doesn't have as many harsh chemicals in it, and I'm trying to be more conscious of what I'm putting on my skin, as far as hair products, lotions, body washes, all that stuff. So that's why I decided to go with that. And my next product I'm going to mention is the Aussie Moist Conditioner. And I love using this to detangle my hair. Y'all already know about Aussie Moist. That's pretty much the only conditioner I use on my hair. And that is pretty much everything for today's video. I do have other products that I like, but this is just what I've been using this year. These are the products that I've used in 2020. I have not used any other products, and if I use anything else, it's something I don't like and it's not worth mentioning. So what are y'all favorite products? You know, what do you guys like? What do you think I should try? What do you guys think I should add to the mix? Because I'm sure there are other products out here besides the ones that I mentioned that would work on my hair. Comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video, girl. Bye.
You make me wanna. You make me wanna. You make me wanna.